Hey guys, I recently received this retractable hose reel from the manufacturer, Giraffe Tools, to do a review. It is model number WGA9258US. It has a 5/8 water hose that is 92 feet long. So let's take a look at all of its features and connect it all together and give it a try. Okay, again, it comes with the owner's manual. It comes with a 1/2 inch lead-in hose that's 5 feet long that connects to the back. You have the holder that pops in here that'll hold the nozzle. Then you have Giraffe Tools sprayer that has 9 different functions. You have some lag screws that you can mount this to concrete or to a wooden deck, or you have these 4 stakes that you can mount the base into the ground anywhere you desire. This reel does rotate 360 degrees once you get it in place, so that is a good thing. It has a carrying handle on the top. Again, you have 92 feet of hose. Finish using it, just give it a slight tug, and you want to guide it and walk it in. You have the self stop here that can be adjusted. Here with this set screw, you can adjust that as to where you want that to stop. Then if you pull this out of its entirety, the 92 feet, about 3.5 feet prior to that, you'll have a warning marking on the hose. So you don't want to pull it out past that to allow time for it to retract back again. Okay, on this back side is where you would connect the feeder hose to your faucet. Then you have a window view here. If you need to see the mechanism for any reason, then you can have a view window there. You can kind of see the gears where it will automatically self-wind without getting it tangled up. Pop that back into place. So let's get it connected and give it a try. Okay, you can see I have the lead hose here connected. Turn on the water. And I didn't secure this to the ground using stakes or the concrete. So you could pull out the amount of hose that's desired. Wanted to show you the various spray. You have vertical spray. You can kind of see up and down this way. You have shower spray. You have rinse. You have cone, soaker, flat, mist, center, angle, vertical, and shower. So you have 9 different settings here. And you can control the amount of water force that you desire using this lever here. Then to retract the hose, just give it a little of a tug and then just guide it or walk it in. Then the handle you can store over here to the side. And the thing I like about this retractable hose reel, once you get the base secure, it will rotate 360 degrees. So this is an excellent retractable hose reel made by Giraffe Tools. You have the access window there, the fact that it'll rotate, 5/8 inch hose that is 92 feet long. So it's a very good product. The thing I like about Giraffe Tools is that they have a 2-year warranty on the product. If you're not satisfied, then you can give them a call. So I highly recommend this 92-foot retractable hose reel.